Welcome to our channel. In this session, we are going to discuss about div tag in HTML. Simply, the purpose of div tag is to design the web page as multiple divisions. That means a web page is divided into multiple parts. Each and every part we are applying different types of styles. So this div is a pair tag, and this div is also called as a container tag. What is the meaning of container tags? So within this tag, you can place multiple tags. Suppose the table is a container. Within that, you are placing TD, or TH like this. Div has mainly two attributes. One is align and another one is style. Now we will move with an example. First, div tag. Here I am writing one div tag. Initially, I will apply the alignment. Suppose align is equal to left. Within the div tag, I will write one message. Suppose welcome to HTML1. I written one message. For example, welcome to some Java 1. This is my first division. According to your requirement, you can divide one web page into any number of divisions. Suppose observe here. Here I am doing 3 divisions. The first one alignment is equal to suppose left, and the second one I marked as the center. Remember, within this one, each and every time, not only P and B, you can write any information. You can write any information. Suppose I make third alignment as some right. Save. Copy the path. Now observe, 3 divisions are there. In the first division, whatever the information you written, that is placed here. This is the first division, the left alignment. Second division, the center alignment. Third division, so the right alignment. Third division, the right alignment. Clear? Now, not only this, you can apply some other properties also. If you want, you can apply some other properties. So what is the main another attribute? Style attribute. The style attribute consists of many number of properties. According to your requirements, you can apply anything. Suppose background color I given as red. So in the style attribute, entire information is placed in the colon. The syntax is the attribute name colon, the corresponding value, semicolon. If you want to give any another, suppose height is equal height colon some 100 pixel. Now width colon some 100 percentage. So what is the meaning of pixels and percentage? If you given 100 percentage, in the sense the entire web page is occupied. The entire web page is occupied. Suppose I will copy the same thing here. Here, copy the same thing, save, reload. Observe, this is the first two. I will change the colors. Here, some background color is equal to some green. Background color is equal to some pink. Save. Observe the first one left alignment, second one middle alignment, third one right alignment according to the colors. Like this, you can divide any web page. Like this, you can divide any web page. Suppose even though you are not given, not a problem, you can remove. So width, height, everything. Save. See, like this, three divisions are formed. Like this, three divisions are formed. For example, in this division, I want to place some image. Some SRC is equal to. So here, observe what happened. In this, I am placing some image. In the middle tag, observe in the middle tag, the image is placed. Here, you need to use some width is equal to some 100 pixel. Now observe, according to your sizes, the corresponding thing is occupied. Now everyone clear? For example, orange, white, green, remove, save. You got it? Like this. Suppose here in place of image, if you are placing Ashok Chakra, automatically our flag is prepared. Our flag is prepared. You got it? This is div tag. This one is div tag. Okay. Thank you.